Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good day to you, my wisdom warriors. I'm back again with another video. But we are going to start it off with Kamina Johnson. Una sister Kamina Johnson, she come out and say how Jamaica recognizes the state of Palestine. Me I tell you, my viewers and subscribers. All of them something away where you see them at, it is a distraction. Remember them say them no business about Palestine, Remember them say, Palestine for them thing there, Remember good no man, remember. All one time, what's your name? Angela Brownberg. Lift the flag. It was a problem to every labor right. To every single labor right. I couldn't understand them. Me just never get it. My wisdom warriors, let me read this. The government of Jamaica has taken the decision to recognize the state of Palestine. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson-Smith, has announced. She says the decision follows discussions by the cabinet on Monday. Jamaica now joins 140 member states of the United Nations that have recognized the state of Palestine. My viewers and subscribers, when I tell you to say, Mark Golding are the real leader. Listen, wanna hear me good no man? Mark Golding are the real leader. Mark Golding was the one that come out and talk about the Palestine. Not only him alone. When I say Mark Golding, me I talk the whole team. So the whole opposition came out and said Palestine. While them a say, who them a say? Israel. Me can't believe them are people here, my viewers and subscribers. But guess what? You can't make it be a surprise, when I hear them I say Israel. Cause them no easy. Them you see, Andrew Wellness, they have a right to choose Israel. You understand? Cause them no much different, Them not much different at all. Anyway, I'm saying that my viewers and subscribers, look from when the opposition side came out and attack about Palestine. You remember? A Palestine them a cheer for, while them a cheer for Israel. And the people, they never happy about it. And them still stand them grounds. What them a use now is a strategy. You see how they shuffle up? The people them in the cabinet, so them a come up with a different strategy. You understand? They always have a plan. It is just a distraction. It is a distraction. Because they run out with them other team and say, boom, at Israel. So I don't know how comes. No, they must say Jamaica recognizes the state of Palestine. Or not just a recognize. Look from when. From when Mark Golding, Angela Brownberg, Peter Bunting, Julian Robinson, the whole of them, Damian Crawford, the whole of them must say Palestine. You understand? While them still stand for them grounds and was saying Israel. And look, them still come back. And have to say Palestine. This is why me tell you to say, Mark Golding is the real leader. He's the one that come up with the ideas. He come with the ideas them and them teeth it. You understand me? They come up with everything. Everything where you see them all are try to implement. Yeah? When it come to the minimum wage, when it come to the student loan and all these things, it was all Mark Golding ideas. Me show you over and over again. Me show you when Mark Golding came out in a 2020, in a 2018, in a 2019, in a 2021, when he come out and bring his ideas across. And what me tell you, the Jamaica Labour Party, they don't have ideas. You understand? They do not have ideas. They don't know where them right foot there from them left foot. Seriously, it's no joke, my wisdom warriors. A serious thing me I tell you no. And everything Mark Golding come up with, you see they run and take it away. I saw them stay, so them behave and go on like say, them know what them are doing, them a leader. Them are no leader. Because from you can't come up with a plan for the country, and you don't have ideas for the country, and you have to use Mark Golden ideas. And Mark Golden really is the leader, you know. A fax me I tell you, you know. I'm the leader. Because everything him come up, me tell you, this is why them want Mark Golden to talk about the 3 million threshold. And I said, Mark Golden, me said on my platform, Mark Golden, me I beg you, do not mention, do not explain to them, read out in a no budget about no 3 million. You understand threshold? Because them a go TV and take it away. And that them do. And that them do. And bring it across and say, Jamaica, we are this. And Jamaica, we are that. When I know, I'm putting them. They last. How much of them in a 49? How much of them in a Jamaica Labour Party? All of them are dunce, but them no know nothing what them a do. Now make sure they come out and speaky spokey. That not say a thing. For you not have wisdom. You not have nothing. You hear me, my viewers and subscribers? When they come out and speaky spokey, you have a lot of people speaky spokey. Sound intelligent, but don't know shit. Me I tell you the truth. Don't know shit. But when you come out raw and talk, they say you're done bad. Hey, whoa, everybody, my viewers and subscribers. Jamaica Labour Party. You can imagine Jamaica Labour Party. Them is a hell of a hard work. Me I tell you no. They have a strategy. They have a plan. They have a plan. And we have to keep focus, my wisdom warriors, right now. We have to keep focus. You see how them come out and table out, them claims of them table out, because I wait for the opinion all me not really hear what go on. Yeah? Then say them table out and then just boom, drop a farmer PNP. And when Juliet Onus came out, she didn't read out the full report. She never. You understand? She only pick and choose. And then turn around and tell Mark Golden how the clerk Colleen is going to address him and let him know because they do some amendments. All them something there. Who the hell she thinks she is? The one Juliet Wallace. So all of them I see him ratting the whole thing. That's why I blaze them backside all the while. The whole of them is the same thing. My wisdom warriors. Me want to look at this picture with Angela Brownberg when she raised the flag and it was a problem to the whole of them. Look on this. My wisdom warriors. So I want to see. That is Angela Brownberg and another guy. I can't remember his name right now. But I remember when they rise up the flags. When them rise up the flags, my viewers and subscribers, they have JLP candidate over upon Twitter. MP them upon Twitter and laughing and know and knowingly what is happening in Palestine. Young babies are dead. People are get bomb up are dead. And I like say they don't know. And I like to say, they don't see what go on in my viewers and subscribers. So, me would like to ask the question, are them the type of people that we really want to lead we? Let me ask you now, well-thinking Jamaicans. We don't want them the people that lead we, making fun, mocking, like, come on. You understand? But as long as they're in, listen, for yesterday in a Jamaica Labour Party, you know, we feed them heart. They don't have good heart. Their heart wicked and evil. This is why them do things like that. And see it, they know. See, Angela Brownberg rise up the flag. And the whole of them huff and puff. And then vex. And them still a stand firm in Israel. And look now. Look what happened now. Look what happened. Kamina Johnson come out and said, no, them stand with Palestine. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, me always telling us say PNP is the real leader around here. And them are running the country. Because if them not talk, Andrew Holness can't come up with nothing. This is why you hear them. The whole of them did a cheer on and I talk about Mark Golden to come and explain to them the 3 million threshold. They want Mark Golden explain his 3 million threshold and then them teeth it way and then wait till 5 months later them come back and say I did them maths it out. I feed them 3 million threshold. I saw them steer. Every liar is a thief. And they lie, so you know what that make. That make them a thief. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me how you feel about this and wanna think about it. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, Jamaica, UK signs £15 million partnership for crime reduction. You hear that? The United Kingdom has committed £15 million or 2.9 billion Jamaican dollar to the government effort to reduce the incidence of violent crimes over the next 6 years. You hear that? So you hear how much money Andrew Holness get. So Andrew Holness can't say him not have enough money. Andrew Holness cannot say he doesn't have any money, because remember, so the police then said they need equipment. You understand? Remember, so the police said they need equipment, more this, more that. Likewise, the hospital. But me not hear no effort about the hospital. Them. Anyway, you know me always have to touch upon the hospital. You know me already. All right, let me continue with this. However, the United Kingdom give them £15 million to reduce the crime over the next 6 years, my viewers and subscribers. I want to take a look who did stand up there when everybody assign. When them assign to collect the money, look who did it. Just look up there, so. You see who that, my viewers and subscribers, stand up there. You see Favour Williams. You see who that when me play in a me video yesterday, last night, the last video, how she did a chip somebody with Juliet Cutburn Flynn. See her there? She stand up and take money, sign money, a witness money aside on the behalf of the Jamaican people. This a woman here, we mouth want rinse out with detergent. Hear the way how she behave. You remember the way she behave and a clot somebody and then the people here Andrew Holness have a represent we. Andrew Holness have them a people here with them dirty mouth. We want wash out with detergent. I collect money on the behalf of the Jamaican people. Juliet Cuthbert. Mr. When me see her, Mr. Me have to show her. So you see them. A Jezebel them people here. When you see them a pretender, them a hypocrite. And she are the same one always over Twitter as tell pure life on the PNP. This woman you see there. She no one easy woman, my viewers and subscribers. Simple as you see her there. Juliet Cutburn Flynn. When you hear the bad word them a type of people here lead Jamaican people, you know. Them a type of people here lead Jamaican people. And we want these people to lift up. And that we want. We don't want them a people here to lead we. We want them to lift up. Them a people here no fit. Them a people here no credible. You hear the way she did a talk to her colleague. The labor right people, them she talk about, you know. Other MPs she talk about, you know. Other candidates, you know. She a clot somebody, you know. And so they talk to them one another, you know. My viewers and subscribers. Hey, you stay there. Me hear from the grapevine. You don't know how I go along. A lot of time me get phone call. Me know exactly what is going on. And so they behave, chat to each other like shit. So they feel like so when they chat to each other, so no, they can deal with Jamaican people anyhow. And them are something is unacceptable. Them are something where me burn out and me lick out against. You get me? Because she, a fall person, we used to run for Jamaica, never win a race yet. Mighty God, never win a race yet. Me no know what we do her and never we make she never win the race. However, she come out and she talk some weird. She talk some way and behave some weird. This a woman there. Me never see she come out yet and stand up for the empower woman. This woman here, never see she do it yet, my viewers and subscribers. And them are people here Andrew Holness have as leader. And on top of that, I stand up and I witness millions of dollars I come to Jamaica. Them are people are not credible. They're not fit. They're not fit for the criteria, my viewers and subscribers. Anyway, so this 15 million now, Andrew Holness, a whole heap of money this, you know. We want to know what go on with this money here. The last time I checked, Bob's Grange collect $31 million. $31 million for vulnerable adults in a Jamaica. And I see where Bob's Grange do all now. I don't know what she do with the money. You understand me? Where is that money? You understand? Amount of money on get left, right, and center. Jamaica everything should have good with everybody. Talk it truth, my wisdom warriors. Amount of money on see me come over here and show you. So they get this, that. Jamaica should have good. Jamaica should have good. But you tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Rick's Cafe expanding physical facility for 58th anniversary. Joins appeal for better roads. My viewers and subscribers. So right now, Rick's Cafe is asking the government to come fix the road. Because other day when I did local election, Andrew Oneless drive from Kingston, go straight to the bottom of the grill and promise the people them in 2 weeks, I'm going to give them road. You understand me? He say, if the road not done, by 2 weeks' time, something I go start. Over 2.5 months now, and the people them still await. Worry that the poor infrastructure could limit the growth of tourism in parts of Negril, Westmoreland. When you hear this, my viewers and subscribers, right now, Rick's Cafe, they are worried. They are very worried. The poor infrastructure could limit the growth of tourism. Listen to me now. I'm telling you something now. Andrew Oneless no business with a ratted whole thing. Andrew Oneless only business with the money where the tourists them are bringing, where them gain from it. That's all. I tell the people them say Andrew Oneless no care, but then still now listen. I do not understand why. Anyway, let me continue. While large investments are being made by private entities to expand their operations, they are concerned the state is not doing its part. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know this. Everybody knows say the government not doing his work. The government claims say ma build up infrastructure and he claims say he ma build up apartments. But for who? For who? You understand? For who really and truly? When for do he's not really doing. Anyway, taking this. My wisdom warrior, look this so, all of this want fix. Wanna look good. Andrew Oneless promise. Look this so. Wanna see yes or no? 2 part. Major. They need major fixing. And all know Andrew Oneless not do nothing. And he promised them.
And we have doing business on Western Road and it's like this. It's terrible.
And big Rick's Cafe there Western.
Exactly.
One particular area where the Prime Minister stood with me and said within 2 weeks he cannot promise that we'll see the road done, but we will see something started. It's nearly 2.5 months. Nothing has started.
But what me really want to say to Uno really feel say, Andrew Oneless, me tell you all the while, you know, promise is a comfort to a fool. When Andrew Oneless go around and I say, yes man, we are going to do this and we are going to do that. Uno really, Andrew Oneless only do it for no vote for him. Come on, like seriously, on a serious note. Who no know that? Who no know Andrew Oneless by now? My viewers and subscribers, when me telling you say, Andrew Oneless just grown, ride up and down, a wave up and down like him a Miss World all over Jamaica. Just for people them to vote for him. That's all he do it for. He promise them this, he promise them that, he promise and nothing. Nothing. You don't listen to Andrew Oneless. I don't know even why them a people really believe in Andrew. Something really wrong. They really believe in Andrew Oneless. You stay there but not believe in Andrew Oneless. You stay there. You can't stay there, no learn. My viewers and subscribers, you tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Mark Golden posted this on his page, my viewers and subscribers, and this is what he's saying. In 2019, over 100,000 fewer Jamaicans rented or live in their own home than in 2007. In truth and in fact, the cost of housing is out of reach for the ordinary Jamaican, which me agree with that. The PNP understands affordable housing. Our track records prove this. From NHT to government-funded housing like Operation Pride and so many others, we make people the priority and will continue to do so. So my wisdom warriors, when you hear me always attack and I say, Andrew Oneless say he might build up apartments. Andrew Oneless build up these apartments for? You ever sit back and ask yourself a question? You labor right, you come here. You ever sit back and ask who them the apartments there for? If Jamaican people can afford it? This is why me always say Andrew Holness need to build affordable apartments. This is what I said. He needs to build up apartments. Not, listen, Andrew Holness I give some people house. Yeah? And them the people, there are people who have their own land. There is thousands of people when I have them own a land, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? So it makes sense if you build up affordable apartments. You understand? Where people can afford. This is why you need to turn minimum wage in a livable wage. And everything will make more sense. But when Andrew Holness I give some people house, if you don't notice, and everybody I get house, out of everybody. Out of how much thousands, hundreds of thousands of people when I have no land. Them can't get no house, my wisdom warriors. Them cannot get any house. Only people will have land, will own land. And if them own it, and even if them own the land, if them life not set, away, when Mr. set away, you know. If their life no set away, my viewers and subscribers, they now go get the piece of also Andrew Holness I give. They now go get it. And it's about, if you check, out of the 100,000 of people who need a home, only about 100 and something already get houses. 100 and something people alone get houses, my wisdom warriors. So it make more sense if you build up apartments. You understand? The time where you build up apartments for rich people, yeah, which anyway, and really your money, yeah, you will a stakeholder investors will invest. Private sector do all of them something there. Do something for the people, them of Jamaica, build up apartments. And when they build up the apartments, make the minimum wage be a livable minimum wage. So the people then can afford the rent. You understand? Make everything be affordable for them. This is what I have been saying from last year. I have been saying this, my viewers and subscribers. So when Mr. Mark Golding put it out, I agree with Mark Golding. However, Mark Golding, when I do my checks, Mark Golding have been saying this for over 2-3 years now. And Andrew Holness just do as he like and do as he please. You get me? This is why I look out against him. Because build up apartments, affordable apartments for the Jamaican people. Like every week, they probably can pay 2,000 or 1,500 or $2,000 a week or something like that, or maybe 1,500. You understand? Do something for the Jamaican people. And you can't just left them like that. You tell me, say, look how much people need somewhere to live. So true, they don't own no land, they can't go get no house. It shouldn't be like that. It should never be like that. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.